The first hands-on images of the Galaxy S25 Plus have surfaced, alongside 4 updates about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's dive into the details. Recently, we got our first glimpse of the Galaxy S25 Ultra in a hands-on video, and now the spotlight shifts to the Galaxy S25 Plus. Leaked images of the US-bound model offer a clear view of the handset. The visible model number confirms it's the Plus variant and not the base model. At first glance, the Galaxy S25 Plus looks strikingly familiar, with a design, cameras, and bezels nearly identical to its predecessor. However, a small detail under the power button may catch your eye, especially if you're outside the US. It's a dedicated millimeter wave antenna, a feature that has been present in US versions of Galaxy devices for years. International models typically skip this, so it's not exactly a groundbreaking addition. What's actually new with the Galaxy S25 Plus? While the S25 Ultra sports a redesigned camera ring, the Plus variant lacks such updates. The only noticeable change is that the S25 Plus is 0.4 mm thinner than its predecessor. While this might seem trivial, minor design tweaks can impact in-hand feel. Beyond that, the phone includes a processor upgrade, but the overall package remains largely unchanged from the S24 Plus, a somewhat uninspired move by Samsung. On the wireless charging front, things get interesting. The entire Galaxy S25 lineup, including the Ultra and base models, reportedly supports Qi 2 wireless charging. This new standard introduces magnetic charging, akin to Apple's MagSafe. Samsung is also expected to launch magnetic cases for the S25 series. However, there's a catch. The Galaxy S25 devices lack built-in magnets for alignment. Instead, users will need Samsung's magnetic cases to utilize this feature. This design choice is likely due to the S Pen. Magnets can interfere with the S Pen's functionality, which might explain Samsung's cautious approach. While the magnetic charging feature is intriguing, some users may find it inconvenient, especially those who prefer not to use cases. As for charging speeds, rumors suggested a jump to 25 watts for wireless charging, but certifications indicate that the S25 lineup will stick to 15 watts. This leaves some enthusiasts disappointed. Moving on to software, Bixby is set to receive a major upgrade, incorporating large language model (LLM) support. This enhancement could put Samsung's AI assistant on par with Google Gemini and ChatGPT. While Samsung phones already feature Google Gemini, Bixby's integration with Samsung's ecosystem offers unique functionality, such as sketch-to-image tools and enhanced message composition. This upgrade might finally make Bixby a more compelling feature. Finally, let's talk colors. The S25 Ultra will come in 2 black options, including jet black, reminiscent of Apple's earlier designs. Samsung's marketing will emphasize a lighter blue model with a silver frame, which is poised to be the hero color. The series will launch with Android 14-based One UI 7, introducing 20 new features. Samsung's Galaxy S25 series promises refinements but raises questions about innovation. Are these updates enough to excite users? Only time will tell.